Don't even ask. This is rice checks, am I right? And chocolate and peanut butter melted together and stirred. Yeah, that's it? Butter.
Vanilla.
Oh my gosh, and vanilla. And it is now going into a bag with powdered sugar in it, or icing sugar as we say in Australia.
My mom says that confectioner's sugar.
Confectioner, yeah, same. And it is getting tossed around. Is that what happens?
Yeah, we're gonna shake it up.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wait.
Exact measurements. Super important.
Katie,
Okay.
this is called
Oh my god.
garbage mix. Just renamed it.
Pyper. Checking it out. Whoa.
Use a bit more.
What is it? Really? Oh my stars. This is crazy. All right, the big reveal.
No, it's not.
No, not ready? Oh, just look away. Look away. This is naughty. And then you shake it, shake it, shake it. Are we done?
Oh, they're powdered.
Is that perfect? Is that it?
Yeah, that's
Wow.
pretty good.
So,
It's
taste
the
test.
best when they get into like little clusters like that.
You made it for you.
I did.
You didn't. She's giving it away. I won't be eating it, honey. It's okay. So we pretty well destroyed the kitchen here.
You even got chocolate on my laptop.
Yeah, there is. Oh, but it was worth it. Look at that. Wow.